Okay, so we're back. Second part of Justin's taste test. Let's see, what flavor are you on?
Don't tell me the flavor.
Well, yeah. Okay, let me just marker. Okay, here you go. Cup your hands.
Better not taste bad. Like licorice.
Okay.
What'd I do with
Did
this?
you just drop it?
Yes, I spit it out because it's so nasty. You gonna throw it out?
Put it
I'm going to the
here.
garbage.
Wait, no. Okay.
Jan refuses.
What?
Try us. No.
All right. So drink some water.
Ellie will want to.
No, don't get her yet.
I'm just gonna say 1 liter in like 5 minutes.
Okay. Okay. Flavor.
Don't be black licorice again. Mmm. Scuba, I don't know what the flavor is. I don't know.
Then to guess something random.
I don't know.
Okay. All right. Next. This is your last flavor.
Strawberry?
Okay. You are done with the taste test.
Can you show me which ones I got right?
No, not yet.
Fine.
When everybody's taking the taste test. Thank you.